Good day everyone, this is Jarjar and welcome to my channel. Today I will be whipping up a simple fried bee hoon meal. Here are the simple ingredients. As usual, I would fry the garlic first. Then fry the carrots and cabbage till they are soft. Some oyster sauce for taste. Add the fish cake, followed by the prawns and pork loin. Give the ingredients a good toss. Time to add the bee hoon. Add some oyster sauce to flavor the bee hoon. Mix the bee hoon well with the ingredients. Add the 2 eggs and fry them on the side. Toss the bee hoon and mix all the ingredients well. Give it a dash of pepper, a final toss of the mix, and the fried bee hoon is ready to be served. Garnish the bee hoon with some coriander and it's time to eat. I hope you enjoyed my simple fried bee hoon video. Do like, share and subscribe and I will see you again in the next video. Bye!